Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Ma'am, we'll be doing history or geography.
We'll start with geography. Cameras on, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Ansh. Cameras on, everyone. Mandrina, Vidushi, Utkarsh, Aditi, Kartike.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Vichi. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Okay, we'll start with the, yes, beta.
Geography.
We'll
We are
start
starting with geography.
Yes, we'll start with geography because history I want to start in the classroom itself. Fine. And it is again, today we have two classes together. One is arrangement and one is a regular class. Fine. Fine class.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
I hope the screen is clear to you all.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Do we have Manrina in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Open your camera, beta. Angel, Kartike, Riddhima, open your cameras, everyone. Open. Okay, now what does the chapter says? What does the chapter says?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Beta.
Ma'am, class 8th also has to attend this class.
8th A, 9th A.
Yeah, sorry, ma'am. 9th A.
I know. Yes. I don't know, beta. Actually, as per the timetable, it is your class teacher period, but I have been given the arrangement. I don't know why. Right? And next period, I think, is your class teacher period, but my regular class is put in that place. So I'll just clarify it with principal, sir. Don't worry. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, beta. See, we all know. Am I audible to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
we all know when we talk of India, in size, India is the 7th largest country of the world, right? Right, class?
Yes.
See,
Yes,
this
ma'am.
chapter, if you have the books with you, you must have gone through the chapters in the book, especially the first one, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Right?
Yes, ma'am.
The thing is that this chapter seems to be very simple because just 2-3 pages are there. That is it. Fine. But if you look at the depth of the chapter, you will find that there are a lot many information that you have for this particular chapter, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So let me
Yes,
ask
ma'am.
you, general data about your country, if you know, right? About the size, the land area, what is the size of the country, what are the physiographic divisions of the country, right?
Okay.
Right, class? So let us start with Alin.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Alin. What do you know about India's size and location?
Ma'am, India is the seventh largest country in the world, and it
Yes.
is located in the southern southern part of Asia.
Southern part of Asia. Okay. So India falls in the Asian continent, right? Okay.
Yes,
Anything
ma'am.
else? Anything else that you know?
Ma'am,
Huh?
ma'am, in the location, Tropic of Cancer also passes through India.
If we talk about the location, it is in the northern hemisphere, right? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
And the Tropic of Cancer, which is one of the parallels of latitude, it divides, this Tropic of Cancer almost divides the country into two halves, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
That is why we say that India is a tropical and a subtropical country, because India falls in both the zones. We have read about the different heat zones of the world.
Yes.
Yes,
ma'am.
and we have also read
Yes, ma'am.
that the place which is closer to equator, that is called the torrid zone or the tropical zone, and the one which is after 22.5 degrees, 23.5 degrees to 66.5 degree, that is the temperate zone. So India falls in both the zones, temperate as well as the tropical zone, right?
Yes, ma'am.
That is why we experience both kind of climatic conditions in the country, right?
Yes.
Now, if we talk about the latitudinal and the longitudinal extent, if you could see on the screen, what is the latitudinal extent of the country, Bhavya? Bhavya, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. It's 8 degree 4 north and 37 degree 6 north.
37 degrees and 6 minutes north. The one slash that we have, it is called as minutes. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Do you remember what we have read in class 7th about the various latitudes and longitudes? Do you remember anything of that?
Ma'am,
Yes,
the
ma'am.
heat zone.
I am talking about the parallels of latitudes and the meridians, the longitudes that we have. The lines of meridians and the parallels of latitudes.
Ma'am, there are 5 latitudes and
Latitudes.
south and longitude falls in east to west.
Right. Okay. Now, do you know, like there are very general questions you must have come across. Like they say, just a minute. They say that, see, we all know that Arunachal Pradesh and Gujarat, both are in India, right?
Yes.
Right?
Yes, ma'am.
But in Arunachal Pradesh, the sun rises earlier than in Gujarat. Why is it so? Do you know?
Ma'am, Gujarat is in
Ma'am,
west.
One. Dhruv.
Because
Okay,
Gujarat
wait.
is in the
Dhruv.
west and
Beta,
Arunachal-
just a second. Just Dhruv Kumar. Dhruv. I want Dhruv to answer this question. Yes, Dhruv.
Ma'am, because of longitude, ma'am, Arunachal Pradesh, ma'am, it is at 97 degree 25 minutes longitude, and ma'am, Gujarat is at 68 degree 7 minute longitude.
So what? So this only creates the difference.
No, ma'am, there is a thing that, ma'am, in every degree there is an increase of 4 minutes. That's why there is a displacement of, ma'am, there is a difference in time.
Yes, very good. See, we all know that when the sun has to travel, we all know that the earth is rotating, right? So when the earth rotates, right? When the sun rises from the east, Arunachal Pradesh, if suppose it rises at 3:45 in the morning. So by the time earth rotates and by the time the Gujarat comes to the facing of the sun, it is almost 2 hours. That is why Gujarat has sunrise after 2 hours of Arunachal Pradesh. It is because each degree, it takes 4 minutes to travel, right? Right? And in between Arunachal to Gujarat, there are 30 degrees of longitudes that it has to travel. That is why 2 hours difference is there. Got it?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Got it? Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
yes.
Fine.
Yes.
See, you need to remember these because all these things we have done in class 6. What you can do is, if you have the class 6 books with you, you can just go through the latitudes, parallels of latitudes and the meridians of longitudes. You can recapitulate by reading them. Because what you have in this chapter, it is all about class 6, what you have read, 6th and 7th both, right? Clear class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what else? What else?
Yes, ma'am.
What about the physiographic division of the country? Do we have similar kind of, physical features or we have variation? Shantam.
Ma'am,
Wait,
We have
Anna.
variation.
Shantam.
Yes, ma'am.
What kind of physical features we have? There are similar physical features, or there is huge variation in the physical features of the country?
Ma'am, there is huge variation in the country. Ma'am, like
Okay.
Himalayas.
Yes, very good. The greater Himalayas in the north, then?
Ma'am, mountainous regions. Ma'am, plateaus. Taken plateaus.
Plains.
Yes, ma'am.
Plains, okay. Then one you are forgetting, Shantam?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am. Yes, Ridhima?
Ma'am, coastal region.
Coastal areas, very good. Called coastal regions, very good. And then the islands, right?
And deserts also.
We have islands, and then we have deserts also. Right. Very good. So India is a country where there is a huge variation in everything, be it culture, be it the physical features, be it the traditional practices that we have, languages. Try to come in time, okay? Chalo, let it be. Then if we talk about religion, if we talk about culture, if we talk about the costumes, if we talk about the food habits, everything changes after certain kilometers in our country. As you move from north to south, you will find huge variation in the eating habits of the people, in the costumes that they wear, right? Right?
Yes.
That is why we say, that is why we say India is a country unity in diversity, because such a diverse culture, yes, such a diverse culture we have, still we all are one. Into one nation we are, right?
Yes.
Yes. What else do we have? Bataiye. What else you know about India?
Difference in climate.
Okay, difference in the climatic condition. The coastal areas experience different kind of climatic conditions, weather conditions, sorry. Desert region, completely dry region, extreme hot. Then Ladakh, if you see, it is the cold desert region, right? Fine. Okay. When we come to the states and the union territory, how many states are there in our country? Daksh Bharadwaj. Yes, Daksh, are you there?
There are 29
There are
states. 29 states.
Pakka?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And how many union territories are there?
7.
No. Anav.
Ma'am, 9.
Anav, how many union territories are there?
Ma'am, 8.
8? No.
Yes, ma'am. 8.
No.
Ma'am, 8. Ma'am, 8.
Ma'am, 9.
9 union territories we have.
Ma'am, 9 union territories. No, ma'am.
Achha,
Ma'am,
एक minute. Just a second. Beta, just a
Excuse
second. Wait. Yes, Ayushi, you want to say something?
Ma'am, on which page are we?
We are doing nothing. We are simply discussing about the features of the country. We have not yet started reading, okay?
Sorry, ma'am, I was late actually.
हाँ कोई बात नहीं. Yes, Dhruv. How
Ma'am, I
come
was-
8? Dhruv, how come 8 union territories we have? Can you write it down?
Ma'am, the chat box. Ma'am, in the chat box.
I can tell. Ma'am, the names.
Yes, beta, yes.
Ma'am, first is ma'am Delhi, ma'am Andaman and Nicobar, ma'am Chandigarh, Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Lakshadweep, ma'am Puducherry, and ma'am Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh.
He left Daman and
Ma'am, Daman
Ma'am,
and Diu.
Dadra and Nagar
New
Haveli
Delhi
and
also.
Daman and
Ma'am,
Diu now
Daman and Diu.
13.
And the New Delhi also.
Beta, Dadar, Nagar Haveli, Daman and Diu are now one.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
ma'am. And ma'am, New Delhi.
Yes, Dhruv was right. We have got 8 union territories, but I still have confusion. Who will clear my confusion? Angel? Angel, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me how many union territories we have.
8 union territories.
Anji, wait a second. I am writing them down. Okay. So the first one is Delhi.
Delhi.
Okay. But we second is
Andaman and Nicobar.
Andaman and Nicobar Islands.
Lakshadweep Islands. Then
Ladakh.
Daman and Diu.
Ladakh, J&K. Right? Then
Daman and
Daman
Diu.
and Diu.
Daman and Diu, Dadar Nagar Haveli.
Ma'am, Chandigarh.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Chandigarh.
Ma'am, Jammu and Kashmir.
Okay.
And Pondicherry.
Then
And
Puducherry.
Pondicherry.
Ma'am, Puducherry.
Puducherry. So we have in total 8 union territories. भूल तो नहीं रहे हैं इसमें से हम कोई मिस तो नहीं कर रहे हैं देखो चेक करो
No, ma'am.
श्योर
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
देखो बेटा पहले दादर नगर हवेली और दमन एंड दीव वर सेपरेट यूटीज पर अब ये इनको कंबाइन कर दिया गया है दे आर नाउ सिंगल यूनियन टेरिटरीज राइट राइट
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
हमारा जो यूनियन टेरिटरीज है दे आर टोटल आर 8 देन वी हैव गॉट 29 स्टेट्स ठीक है
29 states.
Ma'am, 20.
And 28 states.
Yes, ma'am, it will be 28.
28 states.
Yes, 28 states. Very good. Why 28 states? Because when Telangana was formed, the number was 29. But after the disintegration of Jammu and Kashmir into 2 union territories, it comes out to be 28 now. Fine. Very good. Chalo, I was just checking. Chalo, next is, can you tell me the states which are the neighboring of Pakistan?
Ma'am,
Wait a
first
second.
is
Wait. Let me put your questions. Let me put the questions. Let me put the questions to you, okay? Just a second. Just a second. I am writing the questions over here. You answer it with the help of the map work, okay?
ma'am, we have to mark this on the map.
No, you have to write the names. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, on the map.
No, on the simple notebook page.
Ma'am, we have to write them in the notebook?
Yes, write them in a notebook or on a simple page you can write and send it once I ask you, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
And quickly do this, okay?
Ma'am, can we write Jammu and Kashmir in short, like J&K?
Yes. But why will you write
Ma'am,
Jammu and Kashmir? Ansh, why will you write
Ma'am,
Jammu
why
and
Jammu
Kashmir?
and-
Huh?
Ma'am, it is not a state.
Yes, I am asking about the states, not about the union territories.
Okay.
Ah. I hope all are doing. Mandrina, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, when I tell you to open the camera, kindly do that. Please do not disobey this. And this is the last warning I am giving you, Mandrina. Yesterday also, continuously, I was telling you to open the camera. You did not open it once. And today again, the same thing you are doing.
I'm done.
So how is it going to affect your switching on the camera, you tell me? Okay, done with first two class?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm doing.
Okay, okay. Those who are done with first two, let us discuss, okay? Unnecessary class will get over, so time नहीं मिल पाएगा आपको, है ना?
Ma'am,
चलो. Yes, Ansh. Which all states? अच्छा पहले तो ये बताओ, how many states share borders with China? Number of states you have to tell. बताओ, Ansh. Ansh, are you there?
ma'am, 4 states share border with China.
Okay, name them.
Ma'am, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, and Himachal Pradesh.
Okay, 4 states.
Ma'am, it's according to me.
Okay, wait. Sikkim, you said.
Yes, ma'am.
Then,
Ma'am, Arunachal Pradesh.
okay, Arunachal Pradesh. Then,
Ma'am, Uttarakhand
ठीक है.
and Himachal Pradesh.
उसके अलावा कोई नहीं करता है.
Ma'am, मेरे मुताबिक तो यही है.
ठीक है. Anybody else?
No, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
Daksh.
Uttarakhand.
Uttarakhand, he said that. Yes, Daksh, you raised your hand. बताओ Daksh बेटा.
Ma'am, I was willing to tell the answer.
अच्छा, you were willing to tell the answer. I thought you are saying Ansh is wrong. Okay, is he correct? Only 4 states share borders with China.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect. Next, Ridhima. How many states share borders with Pakistan?
Ma'am, I know 2.
Okay, you know 2. Name them.
Ma'am, Punjab and Rajasthan.
Punjab and Rajasthan. What about
Ma'am,
Gujarat?
Gujarat.
हाँ,
Even
exactly.
Gujarat
But
also.
Gujarat also. Okay. Gujarat also. And when we say the states that share the borders, you can add in that one union territory also shares the borders with 2 union territories also share borders with Pakistan, though earlier they were the states only, right? So in there you can specify. Like if I will give you question based on this, I will give you name the states and union territories sharing borders with Pakistan. Right? So in that case, you will write 3 states and 2 union territories. Fine? Fine, class?
Okay.
Yes.
Very good. Perfect. Now Bangladesh.
Ma'am, may I?
Wait. Can we have Ved answering this question?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, with Bangladesh, ma'am, five states. Ma'am, Bihar, West Bengal, Assam, Meghalaya, and Tripura.
Okay, dobara bolo. With Bangladesh, it is 4, right?
Ma'am, 5.
5 you said, okay. Name them. You said Bihar.
Ma'am, Bihar, West Bengal, Assam, Meghalaya, and Tripura.
There are only 4 states that share borders with Bangladesh. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Mizoram
but
also.
हाँ
Ma'am, and at the place of Bihar, it will be Mizoram.
नहीं मिजोरम नहीं होगी बेटा.
No, ma'am.
but
Ma'am,
ma'am,
Mizoram shares
ma'am,
border with Myanmar.
बेटा मिजोरम नहीं होगी बच्चे, मिजोरम नहीं होगी. ठीक है, ध्यान से देखो. अगर मैप को ध्यान से देखोगे तो यू विल सी वेस्ट बंगाल इन द वेस्टर्न पार्ट.
Ma'am, Mizoram also.
नहीं बेटा,
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
may
in
I
the down.
show on map?
Ma'am, it shares border with
yes, ma'am, it
Myanmar.
shares.
Not
अच्छा हाँ ठीक है, मिजोरम का भी है, नीचे से है ना. ठीक है, मिजोरम भी है. त्रिपुरा मिजोरम. ठीक है, त्रिपुरा मिजोरम. Right? Mizoram is also there.
okay, ma'am.
Fine.
Ma'am, there should be 6.
How come Shantam? How come Alan? Tell.
Ma'am, first is Mizoram.
Manipur also.
Ma'am, Tripura.
Hmm.
Ma'am, Assam.
Hmm.
Meghalaya.
तो वेस्ट
Ma'am,
बंगाल.
then Bihar.
बिहार नहीं टच करता है बेटा.
Bihar and
बिहार
West
Ma'am, not
Bengal.
Bihar.
बिहार नहीं टच
Ma'am, we can see, ma'am, there's a dilute portion.
बेटा.
Ma'am, below
वेस्ट.
Sikkim.
I'll tell you one thing. I'll tell you one thing.
Bihar and West.
बिहार नहीं करता है. उसका रीजन ये है कि वेस्ट बंगाल की बॉर्डर्स जो हैं, वेस्ट बंगाल गोज टिल असम, सॉरी सिक्किम, टिल सिक्किम वेस्ट बंगाल का बॉर्डर है. उसके बाद फिर असम के बॉर्डर्स को वो टच करता है. ठीक है. और भूटान से वेस्ट बंगाल बॉर्डर शेयर करता है, क्योंकि भूटान के जो वेस्ट बंगाल का जो पार्ट है, वेस्ट बंगाल का जो एक्सटेंट है, वो आपका जो है उड़ीसा से शुरू, नीचे उड़ीसा से शुरू होके आपका सिक्किम तक जाता है. फिर सिक्किम से नीचे की तरफ अगर आप आते हो तो इट गोज टिल असम. ठीक है. अगर आप ध्यान से देखोगे तो असम के आधा जब जहां पे वो एक छोटा सा एक नैरो सा पैसेज बना है, उसके आधे में वेस्ट बंगाल गोज. ठीक है. तो बिहार से तो वो बिल्कुल शेयर नहीं करता है बॉर्डर्स. ठीक.
Okay, ma'am.
बहुत छोटी सी, बहुत ही नैरो सी लाइन है जो दिखाती है कि जो है वो स्पेस है वेस्ट बंगाल का, वो बॉर्डर्स टच नहीं करना है. ठीक है. चलिए, नेक्स्ट इज भूटान.
Ma'am, I can tell.
Okay, wait.
Ma'am,
Can we have Angel telling? Angel, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Angel, tell.
Can you repeat? Your voice was cracking a little.
Okay. I am saying which all states share borders with Bhutan?
Yes, ma'am. Sikkim, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh share their borders with Assam.
Okay,
I mean, Bhutan.
Sikkim, West Bengal,
Arunachal Pradesh.
Sikkim, West Bengal, Assam, and Arunachal Pradesh. Okay.
Not West Bengal.
Of course, West Bengal shares, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
West Bengal shares. ठीक है. चलिए, very good. So 1, 2, 3, 4 states share borders with Bhutan. I hope you all are writing also.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Fine.
Yes.
Now which all states share borders with Myanmar?
Ma'am, may I please?
Okay, wait. Manrina. Manrina.
Ma'am, I can.
Manrina, you have disappeared.
Ma'am, may I please?
Wait. Aditya.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I know 4 states which share border with Myanmar. Ma'am, Arunachal Pradesh,
Okay.
Nagaland, Manipur, and Mizoram.
Mizoram. Yes, these are the 4 states that share borders with Myanmar. Perfect. Very good. Okay. Can we have Shreyan Sharma telling us the states that share borders with Nepal? Yes.
Ma'am, may I can?
हाँ बताओ बेटा.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, first is Uttar Pradesh. Ma'am, second is Bihar, and ma'am, third is Uttarakhand.
And what about Sikkim? What about Sikkim?
West Bengal and Sikkim.
Yes, ma'am. Sikkim also.
West Bengal also? Right?
Yes,
Yes. West Bengal also. Fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Now see, these 6 countries, neighboring countries that share borders with the Indian states, these are full questions that may come in exams from this chapter. You may get it for marking also in the map, and you will get questions also. Do you remember KBC?
Yes, ma'am. Kaun banega crorepati?
Yes, many a times in the initial seasons of KBC, several times this question was asked from the participants, that name which of the following shares borders with so and so country, neighboring country. And if you are not very apt with the map part, you will never be able to answer. That is why I did these exercises with you. Fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Do we have time?
Ma'am, 2 minutes.
Okay, 2 minutes. So what we'll do, I'll not start anything new. My request is, tomorrow is Sunday. So if you get time, read the first 2 pages of the chapter and let me know on Monday what you have understood. Fine. Monday, as it is, we are meeting offline, and I forgot to tell you about the notebooks. Fine. So quickly have a
Ma'am,
look.
you told.
I told you. What did I tell you?
Yes,
about?
ma'am.
What did
I
tell
don't
you?
know.
Ma'am,
Beta C section,
ma'am,
beta A section I have told, but C section I think I have not told. Okay, so let me show them that, share the screen that we did know.
Ma'am, I've covered the notebook.
Very good. Beta class 9C, can you see on the screen history and geography notebooks? History both side ruled, cover it with orange color sheet, and geography intra-leaf notebook, cover it with yellow, and make index on the first page if it is not showing. Then Anna, what else did I tell you to do?
Ma'am, on history notebook, ma'am, you said to stick the pictures of French Revolution, Nazism, and ma'am, on the back side of history notebook, the countries that involved in World War I and World War II, the map of that. And ma'am, in the geography notebook, ma'am, physiographic, ma'am, divisions of India on the ma'am,
Front side.
ma'am, on back side of notebook, and ma'am, state with union territories and ma'am, capitals map on the ma'am, ma'am, on the front cover.
Yes, but it is vice versa. It is vice versa. I have told you to put the physiographic division map on the cover of the front part of the notebook. Yes. And at the back you need to put the Indian states with the India political map with the states and capitals mark. Yes, Shantam, you want to ask something? Shantam Utkarsh, you want to ask something?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
May I?
Yes, beta, please.
Ma'am, we can cover it with brown sheets, no?
No, brown sheets. That is why I said no.